ear, me I look like a fucking man. I can move our bumper cloth and go. You know, so them look like, so them not have, them poor, them not have nothing, them I look hype like, they're like normal fucking people. Come
Big
off
up
the
yourself,
fucking
mama.
gram, yo.
Big up yourself. Tune in, mama. Big up yourself. 100.
But yes, so she in the police station.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're wasting your time on that.
Pick up yet.
That's fucking gram. She look like a, she don't even look, she look like a transvestor. She not even look like a transvestor. She just look like a man, period. Which man want fuck that? Nobody fuck that. She have a man, she have a man, she have a man.
You have a man will bring down a clitoris out of your head. Alright.
You need to come off our page.
And the man cuss you out of here and cuss your pussy say stink.
Not you, baby.
And be a
One page
mackerel for me. You would have go back with a man there?
What the man do?
The man cuss your pussy stink.
Oh God.
And dirty and a be a
no.
You give me one time.
No. If I'm my place and him with me, I for come out. And it, when my people talking blood clot, she say come out and go your blood clot, baby, I got turn there. You can't stay yourself.
No, she go back with the man.
She desperate. She can't find nobody. She go pay her pussy clit if she can't find nobody. She desperate.
Yeah, be desperate, the motherfucker. Go back with the dirty man. And so she go back with the man. Me tell her, they're so stupid. She all in her friend them for she go back to dirty man.
And him now stop this time. Now gonna stop this time.
Yeah, this is one thing gonna always diss you, dumb bitch. You is a dumb bitch.
Can't waste your time for them people.
Pussy you need to go beard. Nobody now describe the blood clot your channel a pussy clot. You have to, the only way people describe to your channel, you have to put up a pig emoji on your blood clot page and say I
who this? I say Puss do you, but what Puss do you? Not really apart from Puss.
I want our Puss team them. I want our Puss team. She a one of them was support Puss.
Who the drag team? It's a fucking drag team. Come on for the live, bitch.
Me not look on them. I want our Puss dry queen them. Me not even look on about what Puss do you. Go ask Puss what she call her. What Puss what she do me? What she blood clot do me? She and lady CC. You not calm them. Hey girl. Black her blood clot Ukku. Take her.
I did. I seen the bag come.
And we are run this blood clot, yeah. You now come over here so come chat to nobody anywhere. You want to watch Robin just stay over here so go suck out Puss clitoris and done out blood clot hole where pussy big like Bob Marley.
What people? What people? She's in the police station.
Right now?
Yeah.
Who Puss?
Yeah.
She's supposed to get pick up.
She got teeth.
Yeah, she got teeth and them all are.
You know what's crazy? It Queenie talk about on her life. Queenie used to teeth. But Queenie must hear Queenie talk about it.
Yeah, when the two teeth, you get pick up. When the two teeth.
Well, Queenie said to use the teeth on them something. You get pick up, but them now the shit over there. Them let them go over here so them a penalty with blood.
You scared? Me say she go down the shop, got teeth at 2 PS and the police pick her up.
I know. And when she reach at the blood clot door, the tin mackerel drop out her crutches.
Bumble her.
Oh no.
We said she get pick up, you see? She get pick up, you see?
What?
Yo, me say about dozen tin mackerel drop out her Puss blood clot, that barely blood clot hole. And
Ladies, I would have said,
you have to go down. You have to go down.
Ladies, I would have said, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Yo, me said woman a bagger. Me said woman a dirty drunker. Me said me go over there and see about them a build YouTube channel about this crap. Come on, we need more than 25 people. More than I say watch ya. Them a lick. I don't can not fuck with me. I said them a lick up with business. I tell you.
Them need to go work and look job and go blood clot work and let them to do. Them so idle, them can't work and them can't go look no work. Them man of that go work, man.
Real talk, Virgin, real talk.
That's all they have to do. Even if you do a little thing on the side, go tell it a job. Just sit down and not do nothing, son.
Right through there, some mama. Right through. Right.
People have to pay taxes, but they don't get tax. They don't get tax money in England. They don't get taxes. Can't build themselves.
Mama, then just worthless. Puss just worthless. Puss no do tour. She not clean toenails. She not clean eye them. When she attack, I be a fraud. I jump out her mouth like she have strokes. Her mouth kind of nasty. She does. Noise, you know.
Them people that have come from nowhere.
The fuck, man?
People like them don't come from anywhere.
Hey, Mr. Sometimes she come on the internet and tear out her body. And her body, let me say, if you can't see light,
wait, really? Wait, my accent switch, really? Fuck.
Yeah, she come on the internet and tear out her body and I look in her mirror. If she have a mirror, you know, we tell her, say, Puss, you look nice.
Sure.
Puss me look nice. So since when the mirror talk to her, she strip off the whole her blood clot clothes and she have a one foot in the ear. Me noise. Me noise. Me noise.
You think she has spice?
I look dirty.
You think she has spice?
Her crotches look rub out.
She think she has spice. If them can't talk about under spice, why she think them want to talk about underneath her? Lord God.
Yo! Me say when she bend down, me never know say pussy can't fall.
Oh shit, you're too live, stop it. You're too terrible.
Pussy a go. He pussy come like he drink a cup of hot tea.
Here you go, you know.
Really? Your pussy done. Go suck you got disease dick. You worthless piece of shit. You go back to a dirty ass nigga. You worthless.
I said I go.
Me never cuss her man when she rub out her man. Cause me know so the bitch have low self-esteem. She always like she. Me the business she go back to her dirty man. You're dirty. You're very nasty. Any man me fuck.
Dirty girl. Get the dick out of your mouth.
Get the dick out of your mouth, Puss. Puss, take it out. Nobody describe to the blood clot channel one channel a blagger bag right through that song.
It's dog season.
Oh, that be YouTube channel. Oh, that be YouTube.
Lion, big up yourself, Lion. Big up yourself, my brethren. Big up yourself. Yeah, everybody log on to Lion TV, you see? I'm having birthday anniversary. Come on up in Florida. Yeah? Follow the link. Lion TV, yeah.
Okay. Right through that song.
Follow the link. No hot gossip at night time.
Right there, so it a bad like over here, so like
50 shades of grey, don't know.
Pussy, your pussy think. Your pussy I want to take off your cross here from a fire and just go bless up our Jesus. Jesus name me say, hey, I'm mirror fool her, you know. Me never knew the pussy can't fart so in my life. Me said Puss going a blood class to over teeth. One does it in my clan, the teeth my I should know it.
I the little one or the big one? The Jack Macula or the little one?
Hey, see the next time no blood clot talk to me. When I talk to my banker for blood clot America. If I be a thief, my blood clot piece man money and bank, you hear? Me say, Puss there England, you know, I ever see dirty slippers that she wear this morning. It come like a market slippers. A market dirty blood clot slippers. I want your shirt dry. But me say, oh no, girl, you're Jamaican now, wear them a blood clot slippers. Your girl, walk this, you know, she England so long. It's so long and she give the biggest trouble on blood clot social media.
Why is it that the woman them come on social media and get so much trouble and the man them not do them something? The man come on social media come build. Why is it that woman them talk on social media and tear one another down?
Right too, that's up. Mama, you see me I tell her Puss worthless, right? Me I tell her say Puss don't even have an account in America. Me I tell you. Right
That's
now
sad.
she in a blood clot court for thief up her the government money go build
Bro,
blood
America or in England?
in England, me mean. Excuse me, into
I
blood
work her, she
clot
couldn't do that.
England.
She couldn't do that. She couldn't do that for us in America and get away with it. You don't know that.
And me I go tell you, yourself the house they look good where she build a big dirty house like her body.
Well, at least she did that. Man.
No window, no blood clot door, and no flooring. That's why our man, you go come back to her, you know, to go get a cat in the blood clot, no window, no door, house. Yes, what me I say? That's why my friend of Janet Bailey.
Well, at least she try. At least she try. Some girl have nothing.
Listen, me say, and the government money she use, I know she in a blood clot code feet.
Oh.
You what piece of shit.
She's
and
smart.
our son, let me tell you the girl wicked, our son in a jail. And a little boy I call every minute I say send commissary for me eat. And she depend, you go, baby. Me say no, it's not. No, it's not, baby. Me say the girl worthless. And you pick me in a blood clot jail and then hungry, stinking, old skirmish girl.
That don't make no sense.
That don't make no motherfucking sense at all. And your son are dead for hungry like you. You go worthless, you worthless. What two worthless people are do together? Somebody has to have an ambition.
Yugoslavia.
In him Yugisha. She give him them Yugisha. Cause I'm cursed like a girl and he wear nails. And in Kimbo.
Batman.
You see you, I'm gonna go block you. I'm gonna go to block you now. You go at the biggest girl picnic on the internet, our man.
I lie to.
Right to me, not tell no lie. Straight up. Post your worthless. I'm not stop rubbing me no care. Or you gonna build YouTube channel. Me don't know who you are your big step. Go push up your big. You have to put a pig on your YouTube channel and push it up in your thinking blood clot hole. Where you need J's in your hole to make all of the worm then run out of your hole. You see you go to Jamaica go suck body.
Me not hear that from me left Jamaica to us.
You worthless bitch. Who you think me can left America and go to Jamaica go suck body for white rum? White rum, you know, and backward. Tell.
Them girls are not ambition.
No ambition. I have big pitney, all grateful pitney with your grand pitney.
That's no ambition.
Crow.
Some people are sick to them.
Me a boss. Which party a boss? You use a boss pig.
You talk, girl, big up yourself. Big up yourself. We're there.
We're there upon the gully ground. And we're not here.
Never know the real top girl come over here too.
Big up all of the women them know.
We think with the hungry do. We think with the hungry do. Lion, live and lava.
Puss your stink, your molly, got beard. Use a groundhog. Use a germs. Puss go a doctor and make the doctor soap your blood clot clitoris when you walk on a sweet road in England.
Alright, check this out. Check this out. Let's talk about how them diss me, yo, and give away our fucking Grammy, bro. Let's talk about that. The Grammy.
Oh, the Grammy?
Oh, them diss we and give away the Grammy to some white motherfuckers, yo, that we never, them diss with bad. It's like if we take our face out of America right now, man, nah lie. Them diss we for the year 22, big time, bro. We're not even worrying on nothing with them.
You know why Spice 2 up? She should have got Spice 2 I2. She should have got back to RT boss, make she win the Grammy.
Let me tell you something, you see? That is a perfect example in life. I'm not gonna knock Spice, but love Spice, you see?
Yeah.
At the end of the day, it just show the world, say, not because it's just like what the Bible saying, you know, many are calling out of the many, a few chosen, you know, out of the few, a little make it, you know. You see how much people call for nominee, and you see how much people them really pick, and you see who really get the trophy. That's right. So never you hype on a bandwagon and it not totally done build yet. That's why them said never you don't count your eggs before it hatch, and don't put too much in a one basket. You understand? Understand? Because she hype and her fans them hype and we hype and oh she go get it and them a consistency and them a this and them a that and them a ray. But look there, we did not get the trophy. I'm
Yeah, when
vexed
you show off
because
on people too much. It's when you show off on people too much. And that's what me tell you. Me still want to rub blood.
Lexi built Lexis. Yeah, but at the end of the day,
Who's your pink? Who's your morning? Pink.
Sue, I'm gonna fuck you up.
Put your pampas. Right, that's all.
Right, that's all.
Right, that's a big old dirty blood clad Puss. Puss, you want beard. You for come on for internet now. You have to go and start tear out your body hole. Boy, you're all nice. You stink. You stink. You're molly. Your beard. Drunk.
One more thing. One more thing. Yeah. Yeah, Island Weedy. I would say I don't want to knock Spice, and I don't really crush people work that they do. She worked very hard, you know, very, 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 very hard to get to where she's getting to. Etana, yes, Etana could have get a Grammy bean as though she's been out there for long, but we're not even going to put Etana in the mix right now because this is a dancehall thing. When it come on to Spice, Shaggy, and Sean Paul and them people, they are ladies and people.
I see you.
But the mere fact is that they give it to, you know, a group that don't even sound well. There's a guy named Tugawar. If you look up Tugawar can tell you everything about Jamaica. Tugawar been through Jamaica.
Yeah, he live near to me, bro.
You know Tugawar?
Yeah, he live near to me.
That's my baby. Yo, you make me want to come there.
Jamaica white man. Yeah.
Yeah.
She made me want to days.
You made me want to come out to
there. About Tottenham, you tell about acne.
That's true.
Listen, that man said you can't smoke marijuana and not drinking wine, baby. Fuck the alcohol, okay?
He's rich though, you know that, innit?
I love
that's
him.
Drink. Go out Jamaica, go fuck for white wine.
I love him. Not even Cully, but anyway, they give it to this white.
You like to be to him say, no pussy one of this, me no bumbo clot.
Clad. Blood clot. Yes, we love the one. Yes, him bad, fuck. I the one who him in at the street with the teacup. I think I the one who him say no pussy will not touch me, my bad, no blood clot. Me say I the only white boy that me know. Where is a Jamaican, me can say, besides Sean Paul.
Spice is not my regular artist. Lady Star, I love me Lady Star straight up, right there, so.
Exactly.
Right there, so.
Lexi, they gave
artist. You know what? She's not my favorite artist. She never bring back a reality music to the community. I be a skin out. I'm pity them can't go to Jamaica. Skin out me this, skin out she and Puss are the same thing. Love skin out. And them no look good.
We're not defense Spice, we are defend with Jamaican thing. And I agree with this lady. That's the same thing I was saying. Now, the group that get it is because people supported them. You understand? Nobody really supported it.
That is true.
Right, but it's kind of sicko for you to put the music like that, come on to the real reggae culture, and then you put them up